everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. I'm going to be including timestamps of how long it takes me to do each part of my own nails. So let's get right into it. So I am doing Gel X nails on myself. So I'm starting off by just taking my etching liquid and prepping all of my Gel X tips. I've already sized them and everything like that. And we're starting nail application at 323, but like I started recording at 320 in terms of like showing you my nails and everything like that. And this part where I'm etching my tips, I did speed everything up in the video, but I'll include the real timestamps on the screen. This part took me 2 minutes for both my hands. So I'm starting off with my primer and I'm doing 2 coats of this. I do 1 coat on each of the 5 fingers and then I go back and I do the second coat right away on the same hand, and then I'll switch hands and then I'll do all 5 fingers and then repeat on the finger that I started with. If I do thumb, index, middle, ring, pinky, then I'll go back to the thumb, index, middle, ring, pinky again, and then I switch hands. So next at 327, we're jumping into our Gel X tip application. So I'm adding the extend gel onto the tip. I do always press a little bit into like the lower thirds of my nail of the excess gel, and then I press it on and I put it in the lamp. This part I do, like again, I always start with my doing my left hand because it's faster, but you can kind of see the process here how I do it. If you want to see a detailed video on how I do this, I have a Gel X walkthrough video on my page. I have 2 actually, one if you want to use the overlay method and one if you just want to do the tips on their own. So you can check that out. I'll leave a card right above. But for this one, my left hand took me 2 minutes and my right hand took me 6 minutes. As you can see, I'm a lot faster with like using my dominant hand, obviously, because that's how I started out. Our next step is we're going to be filing. Now it's 336. So I'm just filing the edges here. This is just like the shaping, not like the etching or anything or the blending of the tips. I'm literally just filing like the sides to blend them in more with my nail, like the sidewalls. And I'm using these medium stiletto tips, but I find they're a little bit too rounded, so I do like to point out the tips a bit more so they're extra crispy. For this part, my left hand took me 2 minutes and my right hand took me 3 minutes, totaling 5 minutes for the filing and shaping of this step. For the blending of the tips to my natural nail plate and etching the complete surface of the tips, we're starting at 3:41 p.m. and this part took me 8 minutes total for both hands. So my left hand took 2 minutes and my right hand took 6 minutes. Obviously, I'm a lot more controlled with my right hand, so blending in tips and everything, this is the hand I work with clients and like typically, so obviously I'm a lot better at this step and like the rotation of the drill and stuff like that. The other hand, I have to put the drill in reverse, so it's just not something that I'm fully used to. So it takes me like almost triple the time, pretty much, or more sometimes, but I just like to blend in the tips pretty well and make sure that they're like super flush to the nail, because obviously this is going to help with retention and everything, and also like the more natural look, you want it to look like it's growing out. So I really like to take my time with this step, but with my right hand it's just an absolute breeze to do this step, but with my left hand it's a little bit of a drag, but we made it work this time, so it's no problem. For the rubber base application, I'm not like applying it like a rubber base. I'm just putting like 2 coats on it, just thin coats. I'm not building it up or anything, just because I love this nude color. For this step, we're starting at 3:49 p.m. and this part took me 5 minutes for both hands. For my left hand, it took me just 2 minutes because it's really fast, this part. And then for my right hand, it took me 3 minutes because this part, I feel like because it's a self-leveling rubber base gel polish that I'm using, it is really easy at like self-leveling. So like, I find it kind of like helps me battle that out. So that's one reason, especially when I'm doing my own nails, that I like to use a rubber base, because sometimes gel polish will just sit exactly where you put it. And especially when I'm doing my right hand, I need all the products to be as forgiving as possible. So that's why I like to use my rubber base for this step. Our next step is going to be doing our French tips. We're starting this off at 3:54. So I wanted to do all of my tips in yellow. So my left hand took me 6 minutes and my right hand took me 15 big ones, because I find it so hard, and I'm really like a perfectionist. I really try to make sure that they're like as close together as they can be. Obviously, sisters, not twins, but there's a complex where I'm like, they have to be exactly the same. So I do my best, but this is what they look like with all the tips on there. And since the French tips alone took 21 minutes, we're starting at 4:15 p.m. This is included for all the nail art, so the polka dots, the 3D flowers, the bees, and a top coat as well. So I'm starting at 4:15, and this part took me 44 minutes for both hands. So my left hand took me 13 minutes and my right hand took me 31 minutes. So obviously my left hand, I'm like, brrr. It was a lot of work, but it was not too bad. So we started at 3:22 p.m. and we finished at 4:59 p.m. So we totaled at about an hour and 37 minutes approximately. So I honestly don't think it's too bad for my own nails. Progress is progress, so I'm gonna keep practicing. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.